What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the DeFi Nerd. So today, guys, we're going to do a really quick video on how to redeem your tokens from the Coin app and get your XYO tokens on your wallet, right? And so the first thing you want to do is, once you're in the app, you just go ahead and click this top part here and you just get your wallet. So right now we're getting 24.6 XYO per 1,000 coins. Okay, so you go ahead and push redeem, and I'm on Ethereum, I'm not on Coinbase, so they will charge me a little bit of a few coins here. Alright, so the total amount of coins of XYO that I will be getting will be 713 coins. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and push it through. Next. Okay, XYO. Okay, please verify this is your valid address. Okay, so it's going to give you a verification process there. Okay, are you sure you want to send the 33,000 coins? Just go ahead and push yes, and that is it. Okay, submit request, request submitted, and that's it, guys. So you should be getting your coins within, it says 7 days here, but usually it takes about 24 to 48 hours to see them in your account, guys. All right, so that's it. This is just a follow-up and update from the Coin app longer video that I had, but I just wanted, guys, I wanted to show you guys how to do this. All right, so we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.